Hey guys, Happy New Year! It's officially 2012, and yeah, I'm here at home in my room on New Year's. I was gonna go out, but decided to stay home instead. Uh, maybe watch some TV. Maybe I'll go out a little bit more next year. Who knows? If we make it past December 21st, haha. Um, but yeah, just wanted to make a quick video. Say what's up to all the web surfers out there, all of the internet gatherers and gatherers and explorers. It's treadmill. The treadmill commercial. But yeah, just make sure that whatever you do today, tonight, whatever, you be safe. Whatever religion you are, you keep your religion with you. Keep your faith with you, and never falter with that. Be true to yourself. Know who you are, and if you know that something ain't right for you, don't do it. Don't grab it. Don't go for it. Don't just leave it alone. Have some thoughts, some integrity, so to speak. Okay, but whatever. Love you guys. Whoever's watching, Happy New Year to all. And I hope that you really, really, really have had the best year possible. And of course, you're gonna make mistakes, you're gonna fall down, but hey, you get right back up, dust yourself off, and try it again. Um, so with that being said, hey, you know, uh, Happy New Year's. Uh, and eh, probably watch the Cartoon Network or something. Who knows?